Hello and welcome. You're with IndiaPostLive.com, India's first live interactive web television. Well, this is one platform. It is your platform where you can engage with us. You can be the media. You can create your media. And of course, you can send us your posts, your audio and video comments, and your tweets on the various issues that we like to talk about on our conversations and our shows. Now, I suppose this is the first time that the release of a trailer of a film has created such a huge buzz, especially on social media. And I can tell you that Shah Rukh Khan really knows how to do the marketing right. We are talking about the trailer of Happy New Year. Of course, it is not yet New Year. In fact, it is not yet Diwali, and the film is going to be released on Diwali. But the trailer is to be released any time now, even as we are speaking. So let's find out what this entire hullabaloo is about. Take a look. Shah Rukh Khan is known for his larger-than-life style, especially when it comes to marketing his films. And going by the buzz in social media, the release of the trailer of his upcoming movie Happy New Year seems no less than a mega event. From Twitter to WhatsApp, King Khan and his team are leaving no stone unturned to promote the upcoming multi-starrer. Hashtags like India Wale Coming or HNY Trailer ruled the trends on Twitter for days before the trailer's official release on August 14th. The film's promo is being shared with a few lucky SRK fans in a personal message by director Farah Khan and Shah Rukh Khan on Twitter. It is also the first time any Indian film trailer is being released via popular messenger service WhatsApp. The Bollywood star has also planned to tour the United States from September with the film's main cast to meet fans and promote the film. Teasers of the tour are already creating waves on YouTube. Besides SRK, Happy New Year's cast includes Deepika Padukone, Abhishek Bachchan, Boman Irani. So you can expect a typically grand masala potboiler. Given all the hype around the movie, it will surely add glitter and sparkle to Diwali celebrations for movie buffs and of course SRK fans. So, Happy New Year on Diwali, but there is a huge buzz around the trailer itself. I think that is the first time that something like this has happened. Whether I'm right, whether I'm wrong, and what kind of a marketing gimmick is this, what is exactly Shah Rukh Khan planning to do? We're going to talk about all of that. I have with me in the studio Dilip Kapse. Dilip is a film journalist. Hi Dilip, and welcome to India Post Live once again. It's always a pleasure having you. Also, I have Anant with us. Anant Gupta is director of a production house called A New Dimension. Hi, Anant has also been in the advertising industry, so I think you're going to be telling us a lot more than what normally we read in the media about these stars and the way they market their films. I'm also joined online by Shah Rukh fan. I think this is an understatement. She worships him, and look at her smiling. Her name is Manal. Manal, hi. She joins us from Delhi. Welcome to the conversation.
Hi, thank you.
Hi, all right.
Thank you for calling me here.
Yeah. Pleasure all ours. I can see the excitement. I think she's just waiting for the trailer to come out, and actually so are we. There is already, Anant, this motion poster that has been released. I think it was released yesterday, ahead of the release of the trailer. Now there's so much of a buzz before the trailer, being released. I mean, I think this is the first time that this is happening, right?
Absolutely. 4 months before Happy New Year, you are actually trying to celebrate Happy New Year.
Yes.
And this is something which is amazing to see, what are they trying to, crack around.
So we were planning to celebrate Happy New Year on Diwali, but we are celebrating Happy New Year on Independence Day. I mean, isn't that what it is, Dilip?
या ज़ाहिर तौर पर फिल्म का जो नाम है वो अब है ही ऐसा कि आपको कहना ही पड़ेगा हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, और इतने बड़े स्टार की फिल्म है तो डेफिनेटली चीज़ें ट्रेंड करती है। अब हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का अभी तक ट्रेलर आया नहीं है, लेकिन जितना मुझे पता चला है कि 4 मिनट की ड्यूरेशन का ट्रेलर होगा और बॉलीवुड का अब तक का सबसे बड़ा ट्रेलर वो माना जा रहा है। तो एक नई चीज़ भी शुरुआत होगी उससे कि ट्रेलर जो अब तक हम देखते हैं कि 2 मिनट 2.5 मिनट 2 मिनट 30 सेकंड तक के होते हैं, तो 4 मिनट तक का ट्रेलर जाएगा। मतलब कि वो बहुत कुछ उसमें दिखाने की कोशिश करेंगे और ये सारा प्रेशर जो है शाहरुख खान के ऊपर आ गया है एक बार फिर से, और वो इसीलिए है क्योंकि परफॉर्मेंस बॉक्स ऑफिस पर जो है वो इतना दबाव बढ़ गया तीनों खानों के बीच में। अब सलमान खान, आज की ही ये खबर है कि चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस को क्रॉस कर दी है किक और धूम ने अपने पहले ही इतना कुछ कमाई सेट कर चुकी है। तो शाहरुख खान के ऊपर बहुत बड़ा प्रेशर है। अगर वो कहीं भी इन चीज़ों से नीचे रहते हैं तो देखिए, बतौर अभिनेता बतौर स्टार शाहरुख खान के पास हासिल करने के लिए और कुछ नहीं बचा है। उन्होंने तमाम क्षेत्रों में इतना कुछ हासिल कर लिया है कि उनके पास अब कुछ बचा नहीं है अचीव करने के लिए। हाँ, लेकिन अब क्योंकि मैं नहीं जानता कि शाहरुख, आमिर या सलमान पर्सनली ऐसा फील करते होंगे कि इस तरह, लेकिन जो लोग उनके साथ काम करते हैं, जो लोग उन्हें वर्शिप करते हैं, जो उनके फैंस हैं, वो इतना बड़ा बज़ क्रिएट कर देते हैं चीज़ों को लेकर कि उनको कि ये ज़्यादा बड़ा स्टार है, या तो एक प्रेशर उनके ऊपर आ जाता है। तो शाहरुख खान के ऊपर एक बहुत बड़ा प्रेशर है और ट्रेलर जिस तरह से 4 मिनट का बताने की कोशिश की जा रही है कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें उसके अंदर होगी, कि जो भी यूएसपी होगी फिल्म की उसके अंदर आएगी, बहुत ज़्यादा होगी। तो वो है कि ट्रेलर से ही एक तरह का बज़ अभी से क्रिएट हो जाए।
Right. In fact, Anand, this entire pressure that he talked about, you know, whether it's pressure they create on themselves or whether their fans create the pressure on them, is, I think, very debatable.
It's actually very, very debatable. The reason is, like, you know, now the films have actually, like, you know, gone past, like, you know, when the hit used to be, like, you know, counted. Now the film is only counted by the fact, like, you know, they are crossing 100 crore mark.
200.
And the 200
now there's a 200 crore club.
Yeah, so this
100 is passé.
So this is actually a benchmark which is being created.
Right.
So this is actually, like, you know, making the film city more dependent on, like, you know, moolah rather than, like, you know, dependent on the creativity and the content of the film actually.
Right. Manal, you are, can you hear me, Manal?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, now, you are of course a huge fan of Shah Rukh Khan. Now you have undoubtedly been following the posters and all the buzz that social media you know has around the film. But what are you expecting from the film, Manal? Please don't say a 200 crore hit. Give me in terms of give me in terms of content. What kind of what do you expect now from Shah Rukh Khan?
I have heard that this is going to be a film where he's going to play something like a thief or something. So obviously after Dawn and Dawn 2, I really like Dawn 2. So I'm really expecting something really interesting, something like a, you know, maybe a chase scene or something like that. But yeah, and also since they have a huge cast, they have people like Sonu Sood and you know, Boman Irani and all that joining. So I think it will be a great film with a lot of good content, yes, and maybe comedy.
Yeah, comedy. You know, but let's talk of the Farah Khan Shah Rukh Khan combination. Both Om Shanti Om and Main Hoon Na, both of them, you know, created huge records at the box office. Both of them were successful films, and they have teamed up together. Not only that, हम लोग शाहरुख खान को 1 साल बाद देखेंगे. अगस्त 2013 में शायद चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस रिलीज हुई थी, राइट? वी आर गोइंग टू सी हिम आफ्टर 1 ईयर. शाहरुख खान ने किस तरह से ये मार्केटिंग किया है, थोड़ा सा इस पे थोड़ा लाइट.
शाहरुख खान की मार्केटिंग की शुरुआत देखिए उसी दौर से हो जाती है जब यशराज या जौहर कैंप से उन्होंने शुरू किया था। और शाहरुख खान को जिस तरह से प्रेजेंट किया इन लोगों ने एक फील गुड सिनेमा के तौर पर कि आप उनके साथ फैमिली के साथ जाकर उनकी फिल्में देख सकते हैं, त्योहारों पे देख सकते हैं, तो मार्केटिंग जो है शाहरुख खान की हमेशा से एक प्लस पॉइंट रही है उनके लिए। और आजकल तो लगभग सभी के लिए, हर कोई आजकल तो रणबीर कपूर या अर्जुन कपूर जैसे नए एक्टर भी पूरी मार्केटिंग के साथ अपनी फिल्में लाते हैं। लेकिन ये है कि क्योंकि इतना वक्त बिता चुके हैं शाहरुख खान और बहुत भरोसा है उनके फैंस का उनके ऊपर, इवन जो लोग उन्हें पसंद नहीं करते, जो उन्हें क्रिटिसाइज़ करते हैं, वो लोग भी उनकी फिल्में देखने जाते हैं, तो वो अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा नाम है। और मार्केटिंग की जहाँ तक बात करूँगा तो हैप्पी न्यू ईयर के साथ उन्होंने जो मार्केटिंग की स्ट्रेटेजी है उसको और आगे बढ़ाया है। आप देखिए कि केवल ट्रेलर पे इतनी बात हो रही है, आप और हम यहाँ सिर्फ ट्रेलर की बात करने बैठे हैं, ना कि फिल्म की बात करने बैठे हैं, ना उसके म्यूजिक की, हम सिर्फ ट्रेलर की। तो आप ये देख लीजिए कि वो कितने आगे जा चुके हैं अपनी मार्केटिंग में।
राइट। इनफैक्ट इन धूम 3 आमिर खान प्लेड अ thief. In Kick, I think Salman Khan plays a thief. I've not seen Kick. And in this Happy New Year also, as Manal just informed us, he's playing a thief. So the competition is there also.
True. I guess, like, you know, being a masala pot boiler, I guess, like, you know, they wanted to do something to outdo each other, I guess.
I know. In fact, let me also tell you that this entire fan following thing can actually turn very ugly. And we've been talking about social media and how things go crazy on social media. There has been a Twitter war between Salman fans and SRK fans. Let me tell you, I will not really be able to read out all the tweets because they contain abusive language, but you can definitely take a look at some of them, and some of the words are of course for your imagination. Let's take a look at some of the tweets that have been doing the rounds. Okay, that's Team SRK has said that. And there is this new word being penned, Bhaitads. Okay, I'm sorry, I had to say it, I had to read it out. I mean, it is something, okay, this is try to trend a negative hashtag, all right. So these are the kind of nasty things that are happening on social media. Of course, Kick has left all others far behind. All right. Yes, Taran Adarsh, in fact, today's news. After surpassing Three Idiots, Kick overtakes Chennai Express. Kick total till Wednesday, 228.08 crore net, all-time blockbuster. Okay. Kabir Khan is saying, "Gai meri Chennai Express. This is my Kick." All right. That's so you can see a really nasty and. Well, there is also some kind of a sense of humor there, perhaps, in this one. This is like a meme. It's quite interesting. Yeah.
Absolutely. Rest in peace. Of course. Shah Rukh Khan has to ensure after resting in peace, he has to get back in action. So this is an action.
And he has to answer now, because आपको याद होगा हम किक की बात कर रहे थे, and there was we had an online guest, and he said that the film, if you talk of the content and everything, one reason the film will not do as well as the way it started off is because of the female lead. If instead of Jacqueline, if there had been a Kareena or a Deepika, the film would have done much better, much faster. That was another comment that we got.
Definitely, दीपिका का भी आप परफॉर्मेंस देखिए लास्ट ईयर, या फिर उनकी अपनी फैन फॉलोइंग है और लगातार उनके नाम वो इतनी बड़ी फिल्में रही है, और कुछ फिल्में तो ऐसी रही है जिनमें वो अपने मेल स्टार्स पर भारी पड़ी है. रामलीला जो है, रणवीर सिंह डेफिनेटली एक बड़े स्टार है, लेकिन दीपिका के मुकाबले वो छोटे पड़े उस फिल्म में, भारी पड़ी, और वो फिल्म दीपिका के नाम पे बिकी. ये जवानी है दीवानी में भी जितने फैंस रणवीर कपूर के थे, मेरे ख्याल से उतने ही ज़्यादा लोग दीपिका की वजह से फिल्म देखने गए. और बहुत समय के बाद इतनी बड़ी एक्ट्रेस आई है, स्टार पावर है जिसकी, जो अपने बलबूते पर इस तरह से कामयाबी हासिल कर पा रही है. तो हैप्पी न्यू ईयर के साथ सबसे बड़ी एक प्लस पॉइंट ये है कि शाहरुख खान तो है वहाँ, बहुत बड़ी बात है, लेकिन दीपिका पादुकोण भी है वहाँ पर, दीपिका भी है, और कुछ अच्छे एक्टर भी है. सोनू सूद डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है, बमन ईरानी वहाँ पर है, अभिषेक बच्चन है. तो स्टार पावर बहुत बड़ी है. फराह खान का अपना एक मसाला एंटरटेनमेंट है उनका, तो दर्शकों को पता है कि क्या होने वाला है, क्या उन्हें मिलने वाला है, उनको अच्छी तरीके से पता है. और हाँ, क्रिटिक्स भी तैयार है कि उन्हें पता है कि उन्हें एक और फिल्म मिल रही है धोने के लिए.
So, like Chennai Express, that's a good point you made, because Chennai Express, despite being critically, bashed, but audiences loved it.
Audiences loved it.
Film.
So I guess that's all the game of getting massive fan power, massive fan following, and obviously of course with the credentials of doing so many years. Obviously, he has all the reasons of rising higher.
So Manal, we just told you, I think you have been following the conversation, that in fact Kick has surpassed Chennai Express in terms of earnings. It's now at 228.08 crore rupees. So what are your thoughts? What do you think Salman Khan will have to do now to ensure that he surpasses that number? Because this seems to be a Sallu and SRK war.
First of all, I think Chennai Express came a year back, and can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, so Chennai Express came a year back, and let's see what happens, because there have been a lot of good movies that have been coming up. We still have Singham that's releasing tomorrow, and Singham Returns, I mean. So yeah, I mean, I know for sure that Shah Rukh Khan's movie will do much better than Kick, but yeah, we'll see what Salman does next.
Okay, let me also tell you that the trailer of the film is just out, Dilip. Abhi release hui hai at a ceremony in Mumbai, of course, in Mumbai. So we are going to try and see if we can get. Look at Manal. She is giggling. You've not even seen the trailer, Manal. Come on. Come
I'm
on.
just excited. What is wrong with that?
No. There's nothing wrong with your excitement. Then, okay, sorry. I tried to be a damn sport there. But Manal, try and get us the trailer. Have you signed up for that WhatsApp thingy where you get the trailer on your WhatsApp?
I'm yet to get a WhatsApp message.
So have you got it? Have you got it?
Just checking my phone. Yeah. No, not yet.
Not
Checking my
yet.
phone.
See, Shah Rukh has ditched you.
Never.
All right. All right. But now that the trailer is out, we are going to try and get you that trailer probably just before we wrap up the show. It is time for us to wrap up the show. We are all very excited about, in fact, the trailer of Happy New Year. So we talked of the Farah Khan, Shah Rukh Khan combination. We talked of the Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone combination. And we also talked of the fact that the film has so many stars. I think it's a very unique formula. I don't think anything can go wrong.
I don't think so. Like, since he's a marketing genius, and he's doing all his bits to ensure have people start celebrating New Year 4 months before the New Year.
Right.
So I'm sure he should do well, and they will do well.
Tell us about the tour. This tour that he's doing from September, where he's taking the main cast. What do you think will Shah Rukh will achieve from it?
I guess it's very important to have a connection with the real audience. Right now, whatever he's doing is through the communication mediums, different mediums. So with that, he'll be able to spread across the word much more better. Maybe he has a style of introducing people on the stage, ensuring there is a personal touch to everything altogether. So I believe that will help in people making or believing in his words much more better.
All right. All right, so let me just find out from my producer if we are going to be able to play the trailer for you right now. And if we can play the trailer, can we play the trailer? All right, so great. So my producer is showing me the thumbs up. So let's play the trailer for you, the 4-minute film that Dilip has been talking about. Let's have it on our screens right now. Manal, this is for you.
दुनिया में 2 तरह के लोग होते हैं, विनर्स एंड लूजर्स। लेकिन जिंदगी हर लूजर को वो एक मौका जरूर देती है जिसमें वो विनर बन सकता है। ये कहानी दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी चोरी की है। It was all about a handful of diamonds.
इजी लगता है मोनी का डांस? इजी नहीं है। डांस ना एक पूजा है, डांस एक आर्ट है, आर्ट।
रंगू बड़े दिमाग में कीड़े। Now you watching me speaking English. English.
हमें पार्ट लेना पड़ेगा इन WDC।
WDC बैंड का डका WDC है क्या?
It's just a hold-on
What is the word?
It's a hold-on dance championship.
What is the word? Say it clearly.
World Dance Championship.
Why? Because I'm feeling alright, cause it's a nonsense night. I'm feeling alright, cause it's a nonsense night.
मतलब कह रहे हंसो मत।
All is in the well, if end is in the well. All is in the well, if end is in the well.
कौन सोच सकता है 6 लूजर्स एक डांस कंपटीशन में डांस करने के बजाय करोड़ों रुपए के हीरे चुराएंगे। मिशन हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
हम यारबाज, हम जानसाज, हम इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से।
जी चाहता है तुम्हें खा जाऊं।
छिपले हार से
छोड़ दे।
छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले,
दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे।
तुमने एक दिन में अपना सब कुछ खो दिया और उस दिन जाना कि किस्मत बड़ी खुद्दी चीज है, साली कभी भी पलट जाती। और ये तो सिर्फ ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त।
Oh my God! पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त। दिलीप, फर्स्ट रिएक्शन फ्रॉम यू।
लास्ट डायलॉग से याद आया कि हमने देखी थी किक में शाहरुख खान अपने कुछ पुराने डायलॉग्स याद कर रहे थे। सॉरी, सलमान खान अपने कुछ पुराने शाहरुख इफेक्ट तो सलमान खान अपने कुछ पुरानी फिल्मों के डायलॉग याद करते। इसमें जाते जाते आप देखिए फराह खान अपनी ओम शांति ओम का एक डायलॉग जो है वो उन्होंने बोल दिया। ये जो जॉनर है शाहरुख खान के अपने फैंस का जॉनर है, जो उनको पसंद करते हैं, जो उनको देखना चाहते हैं, जो उनको देखने जाएंगे, जो उनको सुनना पसंद करते हैं, उनके लिए
है एग्जैक्टली।
उनके लिए
दिस इज फॉर हार्डकोर शाहरुख Khan fans. Like I said before we played the trailer, this is for Manal. This is for, in fact, also I would like to tell our viewers that we would like to thank the Facebook fan page because we took the trailer from their site. In fact, the trailer has released on Facebook. It is not yet on YouTube, so I'm sure there will be lakhs and millions and trillions of YouTube likes and YouTube hits once the trailer is out on YouTube as well. Anant, your first thoughts, your first reaction to the trailer?
Well, it's too long a trailer. Actually, I guess we are experiencing it for the first time.
Yeah.
Too long.
Yeah.
However, it seems to be entertaining with the same old pattern of dialogues. But yes, of course, as you said, it's completely for Shah Rukh die-hard fans.
So what I got from this film is that there is going to be a dance competition, and in that dance competition, Shah Rukh and his team are going to steal a handful of diamonds, and I think Deepika is a Maharashtrian girl.
Yeah.
Right? That is what I got from the trailer. Manal, please gloat. I'm giving you full opportunity to to talk about what you thought of the trailer.
It's such a Diwali trailer. It's just supposed to, create fireworks. It seems like it's supposed to create fireworks. That's what I can see from the trailer. And I think it's going to be that.
It's going to be that? Yes, definitely. I can. she's just so happy. All right, I can definitely say that from what my personal views was, it's going to be a huge masala blockbuster. Something that Farah Khan has always, the whole grandiose, film that she makes. I think this is going to be another one of that. And she has managed a coup, so to speak, with all these stars coming together. I remember in Om Shanti Om, there was that one performance where so many stars came and they did a little jig. But here you have actors who are actually a part of the film and not doing just a cameo. So I'm sure it's going to be a huge blockbuster. And I'm really thrilled that we could get you the trailer while the conversation was on. Of course, the conversation continues on IndiaPostLive.com through your tweets, your posts and your audio and video comments. Please write into us about what you felt about the trailer that we just got you, that released just a few minutes back. And thanks to the Facebook Shah Rukh Khan fans page, we could bring it to you on India Post Live. Thank you so much, Manal, for joining the conversation. And well, she's still smiling, of course. She will be smiling all the way to Diwali when she finally goes to see the first day, first show. We'll talk to her then. Dilip, thank you so much for joining the conversation again. And Anant, it was a pleasure having you. Thank you so much. The conversation continues. Happy New Year to Shah Rukh Khan fans. Bye-bye.